Hi everybody, it's me, Mary. Mary. And guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna paint on glass. I'm gonna paint on glass. But guess who? Pickles. Pickles the bird. Pickles the bird. Come on, Pickles. Is he my baby bird? Hi, Pickles. Say hi. Say hi. Pickle birdie. Pickle bird. Say hi. Hi, Pickles. He's not in a talky mood today, but believe me, he does talk. And we're going to craft today. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to paint glass. Okay? Okay. Pickles the bird, the beautiful bird, the beautiful bird, Pickles. And this is what I'm doing here. I'm painting on glass. This is what I got so far. I got this with the the glass paint. And this is a hummingbird on the side. Ooh. And I'm painting it with glass paint and markers. Oh, I'm having so much fun. If this comes out okay, I think I'll go ahead and I'll paint some glasses, like some tumblers or something like that. That'll be fun. But right now I'm just practicing on this right now. The purple is my favorite. Mama likes purple. Mother likes purple. Pickles! Ah! What do you think of that? Hmm?
What do I think of it? You told it to your bird.
Oops, sorry.
Huh?
I almost poked the bird's eye out with my marker.
You don't know how to move.